We have Star Eliza jumps for your lead, then moving up by the rail to grab the lead is AJ Special. Together is Eclay Cake Wings Beneath. Next in line, runner number 4, Kissable Toys, and ready to rumble is in behind them as they race towards the half mile pole. It's AJ Special in command by about a length. Then running on the outside is Star Eliza. Now about to throw the challenge. Wings Beneath racing in third. Eclay Cake fading out in fourth. Then comes Kissable Toys ready to rumble as they race towards the final corner. With AJ Special leading the field is Star Eliza throwing a challenge on the outside. Racing in third once again. Eclay Cake by the Wings Beneath. And down the stretch they come. AJ Special, Star Eliza is on the outside. AJ Special is Star Eliza moving up on the outside. And now grabbing the lead. Now we have Star Eliza takes the lead over AJ Special. And finally, Star Eliza, AJ Special, Eclay Cake. Then comes Kissable Toys, Wings Beneath, and ready to rumble.